Hello everyone, welcome back to another one of these little videos. It's been a while since I've done an update, probably over a week now, and a lot's changed in this game. So I'm going to talk you through some of the changes. I've actually redone the whole course design. For the course now, I'm using this sprite shape thing, and this is like the coolest thing ever. I've basically drawn all of this tile set myself, and this sprite shape allows me to just adjust the course, so I can just draw the courses like this by moving these things. And if I go like that and then change this over here to this angle, you can see that you get like a wall effect, which is really cool. Dead easy to make levels now with that. And yeah, I just love the whole like design of it now. I wasn't too happy with the design before, but now I quite like it. So yeah, let's talk you through some of the new stuff. I've been doing some background artwork. In fact, I'll show you all of the artwork here. Um, so if I take out all of this, what else have we got? Background. So like this is the sky, the back layer. In fact, I'll just switch this light off as well. So this is the back layer, the sky, and then we've got the foliage layer, which is just tree. Like it looks really crap. I've done this in paint, but when it's all together, it works. I don't know how it works, but it just works. I've been doing this in paint.net, all of the design for this. And then I've got this little archway thing. And I've got the course on top of that. Where's the course gone? Here it is. And then we've got the foliage layer, all the little trees and stuff. And then I've got this volumetric lighting that I've only just discovered, which just adds like a lighting effect through the gap. And yeah, I've just been playing around with that for the past like hour or two, and I really like how it looks at the moment. This is hole 4, by the way. I've designed 4 holes now, so I'm gonna play through all of them right now, and then you can have a look at like all the game and stuff, see how it's going. I've managed to get the scores transitioning across multiple courses, so it's all working so far. I don't know how long it's going to stay working for. Right, let's go into hole 1. I put the volumetric lighting on this as well, sort of like a bloom effect. Let's play this game. I'm really happy with how it's coming along so far. I don't think there's anything new with the physics. I've put the there's like a mid-air boost now. I don't know if that was in the original video that I posted on here, but it's like a power-up. If you get a hole in one, then you get a power-up called a mid-air boost, and it appears down here. And that means you can like press the mouse button while the ball's in the air before it bounces, and it sort of gives it a mid-air boost. I'll try and get a hole in one at some point just to show you that. This game is actually a lot harder than I planned it to be, but I quite like the difficulty. Because like a par in golf is 3, isn't it? Like a par 3 on most courses. So that's kind of what it is on this, because it takes like a few shots. It's quite hard to get a hole in one. This is hole 2. And I'm going to send it up this ramp and try and get it onto this. Oh, that's a hole in one. Oh, yes. I'm actually addicted to that hole in one thing. Like the way it just all like fires out of the hole. This is hole 3. I've now got the power up, so I'll show you that power up now. I'll fire the ball up. I'll try and land it in the water as well, because I want to show you that water effect. It adds an extra point onto the score. Well, the stroke if you go into the water. So this is the mid-air power boost. Just like a little boost that you can try and use to get across to places. And that was also the water effect. I'll show you that again. Oh, maybe not. just sinks down, and see we're on a course stroke of 9, but this is the hole stroke here, so 5 shots on this hole. Again, the volumetric lighting in this little cave thing. Right, I'm going to try and get this in now. This is an actual shot that I'm going for. This is how hard the game is. 11 meters per second wind is quite hard. Oh, that's rolled in though. The wind effects. This is like I follow a tutorial on YouTube on how to do the Wind Waker effects. What? It should have loaded hole 4 there. Why is it not loaded? Oh, I've not added it to the build setting. Right, hang on. Yeah, need to add it to the build setting. I've only just completed hole 4 design, so there we go. Right, let's just go straight to hole 3 and do that again, and then we'll go to hole 4. Try and get a hole in 1. Let's go. We've also got the timers working as well, so this is the course time and this is the hole time. So this one will carry on onto the next hole, and this one will reset on each hole. I'll try and fire this down the slope. It's quite hard to get it down this slope though. Oh, that's a little error. I don't know how to fix that. That's actually happened to me twice now. I'll have to have a go at fixing that at some point. Right, onto hole 4. So this time will pass over onto the next hole. So 35 now, and then this is the whole time. God, this is windy now. 14 meters per second. This is actually my favourite hole so far that I've done, but just because of that lighting. Right, I'm going to hit it into the wind, and I'll try and get it down here, and then into the... No. Oh, nope. This is a tough hole, this. Oh. I'm actually trying, you know. Come on. I can see a lot of people getting very frustrated with this game, but I kind of like that. Oh, come on. What is that, bull? Oh my god. Alright, I'll let it into the wind and then try and land it on. There we go. This is also the menu. I don't know if I had this last time as well. So on the menu you can see all the records for the... This is the whole record. I've done this in hole in 1 apparently. In 5 seconds, 0.4. Course record. That's not been done yet. I've not actually programmed the course records or the course time. But all of these work. We've got the options. You can turn sound up and down, music up and down when I get that done. You can also change the controls, so you can actually use the keyboard and use the WASD keys to control the ball arrow, and then spacebar is shoot. That all works. Controls. That's the controls for mouse, that's the controls for keyboard. And that is pretty much the game so far. Yep, I'll keep you updated when I do a few more holes. I'll probably finish this... oh, look at that, all them wind things came as soon as I unpaused. That's a bit of a glitch. Yeah, I'll probably do another video once I've done all of this course, so... I'll get all 9 holes done, and then I'll do a video on all of the holes. And then I need to do about 2 or 3 more courses. So that's the plan. If you like this video, click like and subscribe and follow the whole development of this game. I'm going to keep posting about it and trying to get a bit of interest. And yeah, let me know if this is something you'd play. I'm hoping to get it on Steam when it's done. So that is the plan. I've also got plans for Xbox and PlayStation as well, but it costs a bit of money to get on them platforms, I think. So I'll have to upgrade my Unity to like the Unity Pro version, which costs a bit of money. So I might look at that in the future, but I'm concentrating on Steam at the moment, so that's the plan. Right. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.